Tutorial: How to use InvestroFX Step-by-Step Guide. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete process of using InvestroFX from account creation to making your first investment. Step 1. Create an account. Begin by visiting the InvestroFX platform and clicking on the Sign Up option. You'll be prompted to enter your full name. For example, you can use InvestroFX as a placeholder. Next, provide a valid email address and your phone number, including the country code, for example, +27. The referral field is optional. If you have a referral code from an existing user, you can enter it here. Otherwise, you may leave it blank. After that, create a secure password and complete the registration process. Step 2. Email, verification, and KYC. Once your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email. Click the verification link to activate your account. You may also receive a secondary email for additional verification. After verification, you will be directed to your dashboard. Step 3. Account verification, KYC. To unlock full functionality, navigate to the verification section. Here, you'll need to upload the following documents: your full name and date of birth, proof of residence, a national ID or equivalent, front and back, a selfie photo, a utility bill or bank statement if available. After submitting these documents, review your details and confirm. Approval typically takes up to 24 hours. Step 4. Depositing funds. To fund your wallet, go to the Deposit section. You can choose from several payment methods, including Bitcoin, USDT, or bank transfer. For this example, we'll use a bank transfer. Enter the amount you wish to deposit, for example, 1.5 or 5,000. If you want the funds to be automatically allocated to a specific investment plan, you can select that option. Otherwise, the funds will remain in your wallet for manual investment later. You'll be provided with the bank details for the transfer. Bank, Old Mutual Bank account. Name, Investro, Ptye Ltd account. Number kind of provided on screen. Branch code, provided on screen account. Type, savings. Important, use your registered email address as the payment reference. After completing the transfer, upload your payment proof in the platform. The status will show as pending until the admin verifies and approves the transaction. Step 5. Making an investment. Once your deposit is approved, you can invest. Visit the investment section and choose a plan that suits your goals. Use the calculator to estimate your returns. For example, a 1.5 investment may yield a total payout of approximately $2,063 after 3 weeks, including capital and profit. A 5,000 investment could return around $6,875 over the same period, with weekly earnings of $625. You can also explore the Pro plan, which requires a higher minimum investment, for example, $60,900, and offers returns over an 8-week period. Step 6. Managing your account. Dashboard. View your portfolio, deposits, investments, and profits. Referrals. Share your unique referral link with others. Referring at least one person is required to enable withdrawals. Withdrawals. Go to the Withdraw section, choose your preferred method, bank transfer, Bitcoin or USDT, and provide the necessary details. Support. If you need assistance, use the support feature to send a message via WhatsApp or submit a query through the platform. Settings. Update your profile and preferences as needed. Once your investment is active, it begins generating returns immediately. You'll receive notifications for deposit approvals and other updates. This concludes the tutorial. The platform is designed to be intuitive, so feel free to explore additional features. Thank you for watching and happy investing.